have learned the lesson. We need to follow the protocols. We know what are those protocols. We know what worked before when we had the pandemic and we had COVID-19. And as we follow those protocols, we can stop the spread, work with the authorities, follow the recommendations for WHO and the authorities, and that will help us to contain the situation. And then with the communication in place, we can recover faster.
Instances of fears with regards to Ebola, yet Ebola has continued to affect part of East Africa previously and currently, but none of those Ebola cases has been reported in Kenya. And therefore it's important for us to continue seeding that message as government and private sector that signal the traveler to communicate the right position that indeed there is no Ebola in Kenya, and that Kenya and JKIA is over 1,500 kilometers from the epicenter. And so